Hi guys, we are going to make pizza on a Thursday. So we have here the pizza crust, the cheese. This one's not melted cheese, pero ito lang kasi available sa 7-Eleven. Parang masyadong mataas yung brightness. And then we have the tomato sauce, original style. And then we also have onions. Ito yung onions na natira ko last time. And then we need some ham. Yun lang. And then we're gonna make pizza. I wasn't able to post videos after my midterms kasi medyo busy. But I was able to post short videos. So that's okay. So we're gonna open this. I bought yung super thin na pizza crust. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's just I think we need to cut this in half. Kasi hindi siya copy sa pan. No, later na lang. Kung nakita niyo na yung videos ko sa yung bread, pizza bread, ganun lang. For this ones, I'm using pizza crust this time. Okay, spread it out. Yeah. I'm leaving tomorrow for our anniversary. So, I'm gonna make some snacks. And then, the ham. This one's, thinly sliced ham. Padami yata yung slice ko. Tatlo kasing box to eh. Ayan, ham. And then, spread mo lang. Kita ba? Hopefully, kita niyo kasi. Wait. And then, onions. Onions! Lobat na ako, guys. Onions. You can use any onion. White one or the red one. So, gamit ko ngayon both. Kasi, inubos ko lang to. Kasi sayang naman naka-ano na sa ref. Maano siya. Naka-expose. So, yeah. And then, next one is yung cheese. And then some black pepper. Konti lang. And then, cheese. Ang ginagamit ko quick melt. Pero walang quick melt. So, I'm using Danes cheese. Sabi okay daw to eh. Sakto. Meron sa 7-Eleven. So, slice mo lang guys. Pa-box. Yung box na malapad. Para, kaso nakagrated. Ito, hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya maganda tingnan guys. Pero hopefully mag-melt siya kahit konti. That's better. This one! That's the final product. Kasha siya. Wow, it's the final. Parang kakat mo siya, parang hindi rin siya. Yoko. Yardy guys. It's already done! Yum yum! Wow. So juicy. Better talaga if naka quick melt. Perfect for merienda or late night snack. Watching some Netflix and I made myself some pizza for my late night snack. We're going to Camp Netanya. I'm packing for our trip. It's 1-day trip. And I'm so excited. So here's my mga essentials and then damit ko for swimming. And ito lang yung dala ko and then one handbag. It's already 1 a.m. and tomorrow alis kami mga siguro around 10 a.m. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I am almost done preparing for our trip and this is my outfit. As I've said, I'm just recycling some of my dresses and outfits before. Ito, yan. I'll just pack it all and then we're good to go. Ito lang yung dala ko laptop for my class this Saturday. And of course, my loving Insta360 X5 and my books. I'm not going to bring everything kasi I have materials naman online. So, less hassle. And of course, my chargers, an extra battery, and the tripod for Insta360. I got that one from Insta360 store, and this one's from Shopee. Ito yung tripod, and then this was the selfie stick. And then for this bag, it stores all of my gadgets, all of my cameras, para hindi siya, ito kasi shell yung ano niya, para hindi siya mapingot. And then yung mga wires, mga chargers, ito ba't ito nandito? And then my inhaler. And then of course, yung mga kailangan for the edits, kasi I have to go somewhere else this Sunday. And this one's chicheria, I think. And this is my bag. Ito lang yung dala ko. And then, the rest na ibaba na. And then, yun lang guys. And I'll update you guys. So, yun lang guys. Bye.